Hey family, it's Janie at the African Bee. So I'm just here getting ready to have some beans and rice. So I don't know if you guys know, but beans and rice is a complete meal. It's a complete meal. So I know that things are getting tougher in the States and maybe in the West period, but I have a little more knowledge about the States than I do about the entire West. And I'm just saying, store some rice and beans. If you don't have the money to get everything you need to be able to store some food for long term, get with your family, get with your friends, and go in on it together. And this way, everybody can eat because that's very important, right? We're people who need to learn to look after our people, right? Look after others. So let's come together, get some rice and beans, right? I have a little African cornbread on the side, right? And this chili oil right here. If I find a way to get it to you guys, I'm going to do that. But this is amazing, better than a lot of the hot sauces that we have in the States. So again, rice and beans is a complete meal. You can live. All right, until the Most High gathers you out. If you choose to stay in the United States, start storing up some food for long term. At least you can eat. All right, and remember to stay prayerful. And remember that I love you guys. I love you with the love of the Most High Yah. Later.